Good afternoon. Today's lesson we are going over the mixed units of weight, adding and subtracting. The problems here that we're looking at today is pounds and ounces. We just have the front sheet, 8 addition problems and then 2 word problems here. So first one here we have 11 ounces plus 5 ounces. We can add those just straight across because they are ounces. 11 plus 5 is 16 ounces, and we need to keep in mind that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So we can just convert that straight over to 1 pound. We have 1 pound 7 ounces plus 9 ounces, so we add the ounces together and come up with 16 ounces. We know that 16 ounces equals a pound, so we're going to have 1 pound plus 1 pound, and that is going to equal 2 pounds. Skipping down to E, we have 5 pound 8 ounces plus 9 ounces. We're going to have 5 pounds plus 17 ounces. We know that 16 is a pound. 17 is larger than 16, so we can pull out a pound, and then that will leave us 1 ounce left over. So if we add 1 pound to 5 pounds, that would be 6 pounds. Then we said we had 1 left over, so that's going to be 6 pound 1 ounce. Over here on F, 21 pound 8 ounces plus 6 pound 9 ounces. I'm going to rewrite this way so that I can keep everything lined up, so that I can see exactly what is going on. So I have 27 pounds 17 ounces. Once again, 17 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound. There'll be 1 left over, so 1 pound to 27 will be 28, and then 1 pound left over. I'll do this one over here. H, we have 89 pound 2 ounces minus 16 pound 4 ounces. So I'm going to write it below it, 16 pound 4 ounces. I'm going to subtract. I don't have enough ounces yet, so if I take 1 pound away, I am going to add 16 ounces to this one, so that it will be 88 pound 18 ounces. And now I can subtract, and 88 minus 16 is 72 pounds. 18 minus 4 is 14 ounces, so I'll have 72 pounds 14 ounces. Problem number 2 on the word problem. When Dick took his dog Rocky to the vet in December, Rocky weighed 29 pounds 8 ounces. When he took Rocky back to the vet in March, Rocky weighed 34 pounds 8 ounces. How much weight did Rocky gain? So at the beginning we had 29 pounds 9 ounces. When we took him back, he weighed 34 pounds 4 ounces. So we can't take 9 pounds from 4 ounces, so we're going to have to borrow a pound, add it to our ounces, adding 16 to it because 16 ounces equals a pound. And now we're going to subtract here. And so he gained 4 pounds 11 ounces. Bianca had 6 identical jars of bubble bath. She put them all in a bag that weighed 2 ounces. The total weight of bag filled with the 6 jars was 1 pound 4 ounces. How much did each jar weigh? Well, let's see what we're going to use the redraw right on this one here. Bianca had 6 identical jars of bubble bath. So if we just draw 6 boxes down here, she put them all in a bag that weighed 2 ounces. The total weight of the bag filled with the 6 jars was 1 pound 4 ounces. So she had 6 identical jars of bubble bath, and she put them all in a bag that weighed 2 ounces. The bag itself, the bag weighs 2 ounces. The total weight of the bag filled with the 6 jars was 1 pound 4 ounces. So if we have the 6 jars added together plus the bag that weighed 2 ounces, that is going to weigh 1 pound 4 ounces. So how much did each jar weigh? Well, if we convert all this over to ounces, 1 pound is 16 ounces. We had the 4 ounces there as well. So now we have 20 ounces. The 6 jars if we look at this, this is where most people are going to make their mistake. They want to divide all of it by 20 ounces. That's not the way we set this up. This is the mistake most of the students right here are going to make. They're going to try to divide 20 by 6. They're including that bag. Because we've included everything all year long, they're wanting to include this bag. They don't need to include the bag of the jars. The 2 ounces is how much the bag weighed. So it would actually be jar plus jar plus jar plus jar plus jar plus jar. 1 pound 4 ounces minus 2. We're going to have to take the weight of the bag away. So that is going to be 1 pound 2 ounces is how much the 6 jars together weigh. We convert this, not this, okay? So 16 plus 2 is 18 ounces. Now we can divide 18 into 6 equal groups and come up with 3 ounces per jar. Each jar weighed 3 ounces. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you watch the video and have any friends that might be confused about this bottom problem, please call them, contact them, have them contact me by email or my blog. Thank you very much and have a wonderful, wonderful day.